This video is sponsored by DoubleCoin. Visit doublecointires.com for more information.
So long summer, farewell fall, winter is springing into action, and while the first snowfall can look pretty, fleet managers often know better because those little issues can quickly snowball into big problems. We have the 5 maintenance tips that you should check out for winter to save your budget, your uptime, and maybe your sanity as things start to get icy. Now, people are throwing stuff at me, so I think I'm gonna go inside. Man. First snow of the year and everyone's throwing snowballs already. All right, well, we're a lot safer inside here. So let's get to the list. There are a lot of systems on a truck that we're not gonna be able to cover today, handling diesel fuel and DEF, regen and after-treatment systems, but let's start our list with what fleets often overlook, your batteries. Winter exposes battery issues, but the damage usually starts in the summer. Heat weakens a battery's capacity and cold weather finally pushes it past its limits, especially when cranking loads go way up. So here's what fleets need to do right now. Number 1, load test your batteries. A quick voltage check isn't enough. Number 2, clean and tighten connectors because cold weather magnifies resistance. 3, replace any aging batteries early. A proactive swap is cheaper than a no start on a remote lot at 3 a.m. No starts are the #1 winter battery failure, and if you prevent those, you're already ahead of the game. Tires are not only the thing keeping you connected to the road, they're also one of the largest costs for fleets. And winter is when bad habits like to catch up. Low tread depth won't clear snow or slush properly, and low pressure in the cold can turn a good tire into a failure waiting to happen. Here's the short list. Number 1, check your tread depth and look for irregular wear and cracking. Number 2, verify inflation pressures every day. Temperatures can drop your PSI overnight. Number 3, inspect sidewalls for pothole damage. As we all know, winter roads just love to surprise you. Number 4, and if you run chains, practice putting them on before you need them on the side of a road in a mountain. A well-maintained tire gives you traction, braking performance, and stability, all things winter tries to take away. While we're talking tires, let's go nearby to brakes and wheel ends. Brake issues are predictable in winter because moisture and corrosive chemicals finally get their chance. If you skip maintenance, you're rolling the dice with out-of-adjustment brakes, worn linings, and rust. Here's what techs and drivers should look for. First, inspect wheel ends visually. Loose parts, corrosion, and anything out of adjustment. Just want to take note. Number 2, grease your slack adjusters before the temperatures drop. Number 3, check your brake shoe friction life. Is it going to make it through winter, or do you need to change it now? Number 4, inspect air disc brake boots for punctures or tears. And number 5, make sure pads move freely in the carrier. Clean the carrier surface if they don't. Skipping this maintenance now can turn a simple shoe replacement into a full drum replacement later. If there's one system winter loves to attack, it's your air system. Freeze-thaw cycles create moisture, moisture freezes and creates blockages, and blockages create valve failures or brake malfunctions. So some winter prep essentials include number 1, manually draining air tanks when temperatures drop. Number 2, replacing your air dryer cartridge if it's overdue or if you see moisture. Number 3, consider whether you need an oil coalescing cartridge based on your truck specs. 4, swap the purge valve if it's old or contaminated. And 5, use de-icing chemicals very sparingly. They can actually damage O-rings and shorten component life. Last on our list today, it's trailers. Not every fleet deals with them, but those that do know that trailers take a beating in winter, mostly from de-icers and moisture. Those chemicals keep roads safe, but they attack trailer metals and coatings fast. Your winter checklist for trailers should include, first up, regular trailer washes with a mild detergent or degreaser that won't damage your coatings. Number 2 is tailoring your washing schedule to your routes, and northern fleets, you might need to make more frequent cleaning stops depending on the weather. Number 3, keep your trailer air systems dry by draining enclosed air reservoirs and checking hoses. And finally, number 4, inspect your tires on the trailer just as carefully as the ones you would on your tractor, especially with all those winter potholes we mentioned. All right, we've made it through the list of things to check. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and check and see if it's any safer to go back outside. Winter doesn't give you any freebies, but Fleet Equipment does. Subscribe to our newsletter to get great content sent straight to your inbox, and check out our library of maintenance tips, weather related and otherwise. Thanks for watching On the Road. We'll see you next time.